Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add multiple images in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file and select edit option and select add image option and open your image folder. Here you only upload one image for one time. You cannot upload more images. Simply I will upload this image and see this, and I will decrease this image size. Yeah, and similarly you have to upload second image. And if you want to upload multiple images at once, firstly open your image folder and drag your mouse or select one by one images from your folder. Now drag it and go your open PDF file folder location and paste it and select here add as an image and show here all of this image. Click here and see this. And this one also, and see here this one, and see this multiple images now inserted. In this you can add multiple images add-ons for your folder. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.